Okay, all right. So we are back. I used to say on all the videos, we're back. We're back. We're back. That's me. Um, we're talking about some of these, a lot of the trades that I got. I just opened this one like 2 seconds ago. I had forgotten all about it. I've been trying to short this since over here and just decided to wait and then totally forgot about it. Hits a double top and then, golly, would have loved to get in right at that double top. When I just got into, opening all the positions, I didn't touch any of the Aussie pairs. I only trade the euros, and I don't know why I was just narrowly focused on the euros. Well, euro GBP, and that's it. That's like all I did. And just watch those, and so oh well. Better late than never. Okay. So this goes into here. The RSI strategy tells you. Said the short. If you didn't even see this, we have an indicator that will tell you. And this is in a different language, but it's, what green and red means. So it's kind of late on that. Now it didn't. Let me go down and see if it's giving me the okay for Euro USD. No, has not given me the okay to buy Euro USD at this point. So I'm in this one. Am I this one to buy? Oh, I had already bought it before I even looked at anything. So I didn't look at the indicator on that one, but I saw this and, I got it anyway. I'm trying to remember. There were ones that I bought specifically. No, it wasn't that one. Was it this one? Yes, I bought this one because this one said I was ready to buy. Let's see, Euro NZD. This one also said it was ready to buy, so I bought this one. Let's see how this other one's, let's see how they're doing. Oh, this one's down. Yeah, this one's down. Oh, the double bottom. And then I saw this. I said, yeah, all right. See how that does. So some of them, they're starting to move. How's GBP JPY? Okay, 30 pips. It said to buy also. Yes, it did. NZD, I believe it said to buy. Yes, I got in because it said to buy. I went ahead and took, because I wouldn't have taken GBP NZD if my indicator didn't tell me. I would have skipped it, seriously. At the time, the gap was like huge, and I said, you know what? Now, the other ones I took with huge gaps. This one I bought without getting the notification. So as you can see, down. But I'm expecting it to turn around before it even reaches this point. Oh, the GU. Oh my gosh. I better close that one. GU. Yeah, I'm closing it. First time you ever seen me close position.
Are you a trader? Then you'll love Connect One Forex Signals, a leading signal service dedicated to providing the best trading entries and exits for traders. We have the highest reward to risk ratio in the industry, and our pips gain is as high as 1,200 pips in one trade. You don't need to do anything, just set it and forget it. We'll do all the heavy lifting. We also teach how to trade successfully using what we call the RSAI blueprint strategy. Our strategy is based on harmonics, but we also use them in other ways besides just buying and selling to target. Receive signals, learn new techniques and innovative trading systems to bring you to a new level of training and profitability with Connect One Forex Signals. Sign up for a free trial at connect-1-forex-signals.multiscreensite.com or join our Telegram group at t.me/KOFXS group for group chat.
So, and that's that. Close it. All right. GBP SGD. I think, what did I say? Did I say to sell? I think it said to sell. Yeah, it's going, because it's following GBP USD is following that, because see, there's so many. See, you got to realize these things are so heavily, GBP USD and Euro USD are so heavily traded. These people have been waiting for a buy for a very long time, and they're just sitting on buys, and that's what they're doing. They're all sitting on buys, and as long as they sit like that, it's gonna break. It's too many monkeys, too many trading monkeys. Let me show you. Let's see if we can go to, let's open up a new screen. Let's open up a new screen. Trying to think. I want to go to, oh man, my shoulder. So we're going to go to daily FX, right? And we're going to look at let's go find trading, the sentiment. This is what I do. I mean, I don't do it all the time, but I mean, when it comes to this though, look at this. Oh, no, because they just dropped down. Okay. So that's not bullish. It's bearish anymore, because this was like 76%. When it's that high, this would say bullish. This would say bearish. I'm sorry. Jeez. So this dropped below that 70-ish number, and it's at 67. So maybe could be ready, I think. Yes, but it's been like that for a while. Oh gosh. Well, I didn't like to see this one. That's 79%, and that's short. Now, it's not like an unbreakable rule. I'm just saying that I don't like this. This kind of goes against me a little bit. But based on the strategy and based on what I'm seeing, definitely it should continue down. So I'm going to hold on to that short. I am, yes. This one, no, I'm actually bullish on this one. So they're somewhat, but they're somewhat. But I'm actually bullish on GBP JPY and bearish on JPY at the moment. So, all right, well, there's so much for that. It doesn't always show exactly what I'm doing. Oh, and this is what? Gold? Where's gold? And gold. Oh, it says mixed, but oh, yes, mixed. Now you see where it is. Look, 71% along, and it was very high. And when it was very high, the whole thing collapsed. And this is what happens a lot. When they're just one-sided, it ends up collapsing. So, I mean, that's just basically how I trade it. So, all right. So that's basically how that goes. Now this is it's just an additional tool that I use on top of everything else that you've been taught. I mean, you get this, I give you this after you've gone through the course and you understand, because I don't want you to just be relying on this thing telling you to buy and sell. Okay.
Connect One Forex Signal Services allows traders to take advantage of market trends to grow smaller accounts into larger accounts. No need to rush to capture a 50, 100, or 150 pip signal, because KOFXS signals are between 200 and 1200 pips. Here's how it works. When you look at the signal, it'll have an open price, a stop loss, and a target, with additional information about risk-return ratio, potential pips, and explainer video for the trade. If the trade gets stopped out, you can either wait for it to return to the open price, or you can take a second signal that's going to have an even greater return with the same target price. Our special strategy for calculating price targets is what separates us from other services out there. Take advantage of large trend movements and start on your way to success with KOFXS Group. For more details, visit our website or join our Telegram channel for a free trial.
Although over time, you're going to have what's your favorite. I mean, it's going to, these things, I have my settings, but sometimes it can get a little too, it's just back and forth, and you don't want to be back and forth. You don't want to be chasing the price. So we're trading towards the target, and when it tells us, okay, target time, which I got a lot of this right here. I made money right along here. I didn't even have this thing turned on actually. So, but it's here. GPAUD. Oh, I'm in that one. And then we have let's see how the copier is at 337. This is the trade copier, which you're going to be, your trade to be linked to. This is where it is right now. Back up to the 2.8. So, cause we had dropped down like earlier today. Was it earlier? No, it was like, well, yeah, earlier today. So, up higher than earlier today. So that's good. Came down and now up higher. So, and I'm holding those positions, unless something changes or whatever. So, I'm gonna try to let that run. I would move a lot of these up to break even because we have Monday coming up. Monday, you know how it gets. Monday, U.S. market, slaughterhouse. But I don't want to have it too close to where it can't do what it needs to do. So I don't want to be too close to it. But yet, because I hate when it clips and then it keeps going. So, I mean, I'd rather have it at a point where it's done or it's turned around. Okay. Something like that. I mean, these I would put just to, break even. Put them at break even. Or something, yeah. These are break even. What's this one? GBP, and then let's see. I'll just set those up. Not too. I don't want to be too close, so I'm gonna have to leave that in the negative because it's just started out. These are just kind of, you know what I mean? Yeah. I got the music in my head right now. I'm just whistling as I work. So a lot of volume, man. It's just more than Friday for sure. Already. GBP AUD did have the go signal, but I didn't buy it on my account. Nice. Look at that, man. I think that one's on, but it's on the copier, right? Yeah, it's on the copier. So I'm gonna head to sleep. And that's basically what we're doing right now. We'll go into some other things tomorrow. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.